Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Play Store not working on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search Play Store app from here. Click on Play Store app and click on storage usage. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache Play Store app. After clear cache Play Store app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart. Just click and hold side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.